Hi friends, today we will paint together with watercolors. If you want to use the same brushes I do, you'll find the link below the video. I'll be sharing some new little tips in today's video, so pay close attention. And now let's start painting. Let's start with the rough sketch. Head, body, arms, carrot, heart, pants, mouse, and face. The rough sketch is done. Now just create a new layer on top of it and draw the line art. This is my line art. If you'd like to save some time, you can download it along with the color palette for just €1 using the link below the video. It's just a small way to say thank you and support my work. I truly appreciate it. And now let's painting. Set the sketch layer to multiply. Create a new layer and move it below the sketch. Choose a skin tone and fill in all areas where the skin is visible. Use the eraser tool to outline all the areas where skin is visible. The start of the line must connect with the end to form a closed shape. With the selection tool, automatically select the outlined areas. Choose Invert and swipe down with 3 fingers on the screen to delete the surrounding parts. Create a new layer, set it to multiply, and clip it to the skin layer using a clipping mask. Paint the shadows. Duplicate the shadow layer, adjust its visibility, and merge both layers into one. Use the smudge tool to blend the sharp edges. Create a new layer, set it to multiply, clip it, and paint the cheeks. Create a new layer and paint the eyes. Create a new layer and paint the glasses. Merge the skin, shadow, and cheek layers into one. At the very bottom, create a new layer and paint the shirt. Use the eraser tool to outline all parts of the shirt. Each section must be a closed shape. With the selection tool, select all parts, choose Invert, and swipe down with 3 fingers to erase the surroundings. Create a new layer, set it to multiply, clip it, and paint the shadows. Duplicate the shadow layer, adjust visibility, merge, and blend the sharp edges. Add a new layer, clip it, and draw the lines. Create a new layer and paint the hat and pants. Use the eraser tool to precisely outline their shapes. With the selection tool, select the outlined shapes, choose Invert, and erase the surroundings using 3 fingers. Create a new layer and paint the pocket and the ribbon on the head. Create a new layer and draw the stitches. Clip the pocket and stitches to the pants using clipping masks and merge all 3 layers into one. Merge all 3 layers for the shirt as well. Create a new layer and paint the mouse. Create a new layer, set it to multiply, clip it, and paint the shadows. Duplicate the shadow layer, adjust visibility, and merge all 3 layers into one. Create a new layer and paint the ears. Go to the shirt layer and paint the carrot. Create a new layer, set it to multiply, clip it, and paint the shadows. Use the smudge tool to blend the sharp edges, then duplicate the layer. Create a new layer, set it to multiply, clip it, and add the details. Merge the layers into one. Create a new layer and paint the leaves. Turn off the background color and use white to outline all white spaces. With the selection tool, automatically select the surroundings, choose invert and fill the spaces. Duplicate the layer and merge into one. Turn the background color back on. I noticed a mistake on the hat where it doesn't reach the edge, so I'll fix that. Choose the adjustment tool and use Liquify to push the hat gently toward the face. Then use the eraser tool to remove any unnecessary parts. About the white bird, create a new layer, set it to multiply, clip it, and paint the shadows. Blend the sharp edges, duplicate the layer, and merge them into one. Use the eraser tool to draw fine lines on the layer and blend them slightly. At the very bottom, create a new layer and use a stem brush to emphasize the watercolor effect. You can play around with it, add more splashes and change their color and shape as you like. If you enjoyed the video, friends, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. It really motivates me to keep creating. Thank you and bye-bye.